Welcome back everyone, welcome back to the Simply Tech channel. So today I'll be showing you one of the apps that I've developed regarding intelligent learning and development specialist. This is also a learning needs analysis and a recommender course system app which HR personnel can use. So we all know that learning and development specialists, one of their main jobs is to create course content for staff so that they can upskill themselves and also provide more value to the jobs they are doing. And this has to be aligned with their current job description. So this app has a few features. Firstly, it allows you to see if a particular course that you have created it matches the job description that the individual is doing. Secondly, it also helps to recommend you courses related to the person's job description and provide you with some course providers as well. On top of that, it will also provide you a rationale on why it has recommended such a course. And this will be in close alignment with the person's job description. Last but not least, right, another feature of this app is that it provides you with some KPI matrices, and this is very important. As a HR personnel, right, you can use this to measure the effectiveness of the course you have created for the learners. So without further ado, let me just show you how this app works. So today we'll be using a Google developer role as the job description. So I'll just copy the job description here and some of the things that he's required to do. So I'll copy this and put it into the field down here, insert job description here. So the course that we want to create for it, right, I've intentionally chosen one that is irrelevant to it. It's called Fundamentals of a Crisis Strategy by SMU. So I'll just copy the course content down here, the course outline. And the learning objectives as well. So theoretically speaking, like later when we analyze this, when the app analyzes this, right, you should say that this is not a very relevant course and it's a misalignment with the job description that we have keyed in down here. So let me just click on submit. So this is leveraging on Google Gemini LLM as well to analyze all these texts and really help us to automate the process of creating relevant content, course content which is in alignment with the job description. So as you can see down here, right, the course percentage match is only 20%, which is more or less accurate. And also it provides you with missing keywords from the course outline, which is present in the job description, like engineering practices, culture around testing, design, code review, mentorship and hiring, which is required for a Google software engineer. So it also provides you a summary of what the course we have created and keyed in down here under the course outline. So the course provides an overview of crisis management, etc. It also says, while it may provide valuable insights into crisis management, it lacks the alignment with the specific job requirements mentioned in the job description, which is what we want, right? So since this is not relevant, right, it has also suggested courses to enroll which are relevant to the job description of a Google software engineer. So they have provided us like machine learning by a service provider, Coursera, digital workplace by NTUC Learning Hub, and so on and so forth. All these things are relevant for a software engineer. So it goes on to suggest to us also it goes on to explain to us the rationale for each and every of these courses it has recommended to us, and also provided us some key matrices as well. So like machine learning by Coursera, this course provides a comprehensive introduction to machine learning concepts which are essential for developing automated abuse verdict generation workflows and enforcement which be required for a software engineer. So also they provide you with some KPI matrices so that as a HR personnel, right, you are able to measure the effectiveness of the course after the learners have attended. So he has done so for each and every recommendation that he has provided down here. So that is all for my short sharing today. I'll see you in the next one.